Hello guys, welcome back to Python on Phone programming series. In the last couple of videos, we have been discussing about list in Python, and we have discussed about how to define a list, how to append, insert values to the list. In this class, we will discuss about how to remove elements from the list. Okay, so for that, we just need to take marks. Whatever the list that we want to delete the elements. So we use remove as a method here, and to this method we need to pass the value which you want to delete. So in this case, let's say I want to delete 100. Okay, so 100 I will give here, and after that let's print out and then see what is the output, whether it is actually deleted or not. Okay, so let's run this one. See here, in the top you have 100 in the list, but in the bottom you don't have 100. That means after running that statement, the 100 has been deleted. Now let's try to remove this 99 as well from the list. So for this, what I will do is I will use marks dot remove and 99. Okay, so now let's rerun this program one more time and see here. So 99 also got removed. So that's about removing elements from the list. I hope you find it useful, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. In the next video, we'll discuss about another list function.